All over the world, I want to teach on how to work Toyota engines. As you can see these ones, this engine is called Corolla engine 1ZZ. Please, I would like you to follow us till the end. By the time we finish the engine, you will see it. The time we will start it, you will see it. Even you will see the engine when the engine is steaming in the motor. I want you to watch it and see how we are doing it. Please, if you have anything to say, come to our comment section. If you have questions, you can come to the comment section and ask some questions. As you can see, the coupling is in progress. So any moment from now, the engine will couple it complete. As you can see, if you tie this one, you tie it like this, you tie it like this, it will enable the thing to lap very well. As you can see, we have finished bedding the main bearing shaft. It's turning very well. As you can see, as you can see, this is the rinse. We want to start to press the rinse so that we can start the fixing. First of all, this is called basket rinse. You will test it in the block. Test number 2. This one is called oil rinse. First of all, we will test it and know how it will be in the block before you start fixing it. So we are now doing the testing first. The rinse is oversized rinse, so we have to dress it and reduce it to the normal shape before you fix it. So we'll be testing it until it will set before we fix it. This thing is called pasting, while the one inside is called golden pin. Now this is connecting rod. This one is called pattern rinse. We want to start it now. Yeah. To start fixing the connecting rod metal. This one here is called connecting rod metal. We have fixed main bearing metal, so we are now fixing connecting rod metal. Legs, like I said, if you have you have finished fixing the metals. So you want to start fixing the rinse. As you can see, we are fixing the basket rings. This one is oil ring. When you finish putting the oil rings, you will turn it. You make sure that the rings is free in the piston. You turn it, make sure that it's turning, it's free. As you can see, it's free here. Now, as you can see here, we have fixed the rings. You make sure that the rings did not face each other. The rings will not face each other. As you can see them, you see the compression and firing rings. They are not facing each other.
Yeah. Thank you. Gimana?
We have finished fixing the rings. So we want to start fixing it now. This thing I'm holding here is called press clamp. We use it to clamp the rings and fix the rings. So watch how we are doing it. This piston I'm holding here has facing. This is point. It must face to the one. We call it timing side. As you can see, we have fixed number 1 piston. We will now go to number 4. You touch oil on the metals and on the golden pin. You now touch oil on the rings, both springs and piston. We will set the rings so that they will not face each other. We have finished fixing number 1 and number 4, so we have to turn the engine upside down and fix the connecting rod in the shaft. We want to start with this number 2. This is number 2. We want to go to number 3. We set the rings. Make sure that they do not face each other. As you can see, we want to put number 2 cap. Now, put it oil. To face it, it must go to key to key. Look at it. We are facing number 3. Remember, you must face it key to key. We are fixing the oil pump gaskets. This is oil pump gaskets. This is the oil pump. So we want to fix it now.